The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hold on there. Yo, listen, fuck you, man. Why you hating on my internet? I had to turn my Wi-Fi off, man. But now look though. That's the Rolls Royce, right? I don't even be showing my cars. That's the Rolls Royce. That's the Lambo truck. Now that's the Maybach, right? Alright, that's the Maybach. Again, don't do no negativity. Don't call me with no negativity. Don't send me no negativity. Don't do me none of that. Yo, Squash. Yo, Wagwan. Hey, do me a favor. Yo, Squash, come on the live right now for me. But talk about say, you see me a link, yo. Come on the live right now, nigga. I want you. My cousin said, you know the Lambo truck is my favorite. I know you love my Lambo truck. Hey, I just wait till you see what I'm about to do to the rap. Hey, do me a favor. Squash, come on the live. No, man, maybe can drive the live right now. See me, dog. Come on the live, man. Yeah. Fuck y'all talk about. Nobody hide no man, you pick up the bumper cloth for you. A 6 for saying I want this one. Yo, well, run for the live. Sounds like a love song. Hey, Squash, answer your fucking shit, man. Go live, Squash. The fuck? Bigs on the rack, she chub, we chub. Bigs on the rack, we chub, we chub. Bigs on the rack, bigs on the. You know, Squash are going like, you know, I don't know that. Oh, yeah, move some Squash, brother. Oh, yeah, going, so. How y'all feeling, man? How's the current team vibes going? How y'all? Squash or dodge? You know, man, Squash good, man. I'm a brother that, you know. And just no one, you know? The man, they probably don't want to go for any life, too. But not like still. Yo, listen to me. New music coming. I just been real busy. I just moved to my new house, so I had to get all the furniture. Because, you know, it's quarantine, so a lot of motherfuckers wasn't really trying to work. So I have to be it. I have to go around the car. I have to be it things what I have to do to make sure I said the house gets situated on them something. As I said, so definitely, I'm not gonna lie. Definitely, me that got something I deal with that. So I never really have enough time to deal with something like I'm busy. I go and sort out the house, but I get some few calls today about some things that go on and rare. So I have to make them know. Say, yo, Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, big house in LA, big house in Jamaica. I'm not calling me on a bumbo club. Fuck it. You out? You didn't give me no hug, no nothing? Keisha Cole hair ass, having ass girl. Give me a hug before you leave. God damn. You so motherfucking rude. Call me, drop safe. Call me later, alright? Sounds like a love song. Let me go live real quick. Let me see, man. Somebody said no Aventador. No Aventador. Not yet. You know what though? I ain't gonna lie. I had a Aventador for a little bit, but I don't want to do no Aventador because it got spin.
Actually, this is a gift for Ralph for you.
Oh, that's a nice gift right there, man. Thank you, man. Look what my manager just gave me, man.
And this is the one for your office.
Okay. Wow.
My sister bought me two, and I got two.
Thank you, my brother. This means so much to me, man.
And Kobe, that's a legend.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it up in my office in my house, man. It's a blessing. Shout out Kobe, man. Rest in peace, Black Mamba. For sure. Yes, sir.
For dunk.
Yep.
For practice.
Yep. Oh, yeah, for sure. Damn. Cleon, you know what I talk about them? Leon.
Well, go on.
Why you take long to come on the live, some of youth?
But just see it, man. Just
Well,
pop
go
up.
on, General.
There, where you going, bro?
Damn. Yo, look on the new host. Look on the new host, nigga.
See it, man. It's shot. Cheese.
That shit hard as a bitch.
Jeez.
You gotta come, dog.
Bro, that
My
was the
nigga, hey, you
plan.
got that?
That was
Hey,
the
that
plan.
brothers.
That was the
You got,
plan.
huh?
That was the plan. But this whole quarantine, Corona thing is messing up everything, fam.
Where you been? You been in Jamaica? You there, yada?
No, man, I'm in Germany, fam.
Oh, you're stuck in Germany, damn.
Not Germany. But we're training and stuff still, but bro, it's tough, man. Everything is messed up right now.
But I want to tell you, listen, I want to tell you, me have a show in Dubai. Me have a show. What's the show, twin? Oh, Africa, Lagos, Africa. All of them sure they get canceled, brother. So I know. I want to tell you, everybody fuck up right now, cause like you don't know what the next. You see what I say?
Man, I tell you, man, everything just messed up, G. But that was the plan, man. I wanted to come to LA. I swear.
So all the
And you
problem.
know, I always want to come LA when you were there, fam. And
Bro,
it
listen, man.
never
Listen.
happened, fam.
Listen.
Something's always
I'm gonna tell
happening.
you,
The last
listen to
time
me.
I was in LA,
Listen. When you
where
come,
were you? You were in Miami, I think.
I was in Miami, but listen, cause I got a house in Miami. But when you come, listen. When you come, we gonna do it the right way. Like we gonna do it the right, cause you know I ain't gonna lie. Listen, and now the world is listening. Leon Bailey's. Let me tell you something, world. Leon Bailey's a different type of dude. Like the first time I met bro pulled me up. We went to his crib. Like that money I real top man. So it's like, you know what I'm saying something. I got nothing but respect for Leon Bailey. They love him sure. They love him so humble.
Same way, bro. You
Yeah,
know the
man.
thing already,
I
man.
nothing
The
but
same way
respect.
I'm there in Miami, I show me love the same way, man.
You know, because sometimes when man depend on the ground, they move certain way. But brother, you is all like positive energy, like humble, like that shit was.
Always.
We gotta do another part. Hey, mate, listen, you gotta do another party, man. You gotta do another party. That shit was lit.
You guys, Lord, people more wonder more about Leon Bailey, because none of them don't really know me, so they have a lot to say, but none of them don't really too know me. Make them go on one day, you get me?
I'm
Go on.
true. Yeah, man. Them man,
Let's see about them. So yeah, go on with
Leon.
Sean. See you in the big mansion in the LA there.
So easy, brother. You don't know. Say, hey, one thing with me, no man. One thing, let's do my thing. I still out of the way. Me not really try to see. Give God, just praise God and just go and do my and put in the work. But me have some things I drop. Me have a single with Chris Brown and Jeremiah drop. Me have a couple things I drop, man. Me just go and work and put in the work. Said we is it.
Go on deep, man.
Me that big up, man. Me just that big up. Come see up on the live. Cause squash them for up on live and them a run to blood class. Me see how I say. Me just put it in the dark.
Yeah, but that's a pass through, you know?
Yeah, man. Love your brother. Enough love every time.
Man. Say what, man. Bless yourself, bro.
Mad.
One more.
Mad. Hey, I'm ready to go, man. Look at these niggas. These niggas packed up in the car like sardines, man. Look at y'all. These niggas, he's like, let's go. He said, we got some biddies on the way. Hey, yo, one. I'll be back, all right? I'll be back. I'm going to go get some food real quick. Lock the front door for me. Thank you for this gift, though. I needed this shit, man, for real. I'm going to read it. I'm going to read it. I'll be back. No cap. Damn. Well, still ask me about a house at Jamaica. Stop asking me about that. You know, see, $1 million worth of cars, over $1 million worth of cars when we drive with LA. Stop asking me about that, man. Something they wrong with my engine. Two of my engine them, they fuck up, so when I forget the people them for come tow the car them, so I can't fix my engine them, because I'm going to drive them over a year and a half. You know, they're at Jamaica for over a year, so that's the problem. You know, you not move your vehicle, and you have to make sure some people come check on them, because you don't want the engine them freeze up on you. So that they go on. And now I talk about it no more. Somebody said, rich boy, look. Somebody said, rich boy, I love y'all, man. Back of the back. Yes, sir, Ski. Yeah, we back of the back, for real. Oh, Lambo right there, Rolls Royce right there. I just bought that Rolls Royce, you know what I'm saying? Ain't no capping on shit, man. We just don't post shit. This ain't the time to post right here. This is the time to be with your loved ones and to give thanks. This ain't the time to, you know what I'm saying? I just woke up to a couple things, so I had to address a couple things. Oh, let's work. Oh, it was a... What you waiting on?
Nothing close.
Oh. That nigga Juan, boy. My brother, yo, he bought me 8 Kobe books. That was dope, though.
Oh, that's dope.
Yeah, that was really dope. That was
No,
really
that's
dope. I love him.
It's gonna go up sometime.
Yeah, of course it's gonna go up. But he's like, you know what I'm saying? It'll always be like a I send him a gift.
Wait,
Peace and job bless.
What's it called? See
What?
if he got fucking shoppers like a fucking that can get us clothes.
For sure. We ain't nowhere's open right now. I want them. I gotta get them Christian Dior shit. Them Christian Dior slippers, bro. Futa, make him out there. Wait, let me say Futa. Let me say Futa and let me say Futa. The Futa, my brother, and Futa, I been there. I got him then. I hear something real simple. I'm gonna see, man. Still. Yeah, man, Futa type of family, you know. Futa, big up yourself every time. The man, they are a real G. Everything when the man they say, Lord, the man, they are a real bumper G. Big up Futa, man. I'm glad to say dog out of the cage. Yes, blessings and blessings. You don't know the thing going on. Insta, man, come on for this, you know. I love you, man. God bless everybody. Big up the whole of Jamaica. Big up everybody, man. You don't know, you know, man. Yeah, life is great. Futa, where you gone, bro? Oh, it's a Futa there to Blood Club. Futa, come here, man. I try other way that. Let's see, dog, God. Let me see. Futa, real youth, you know. See him, yeah, see dog, you know. Oh, man. Yeah, man, I add Futa now, man. It'll connect up, man. Don't worry, man. Futa,
Bro,
come,
God, what go on?
where the palm, G?
I'm there, man. I'm there. I'm there. I'm
Can't see you.
I'm glad you show them what go on, you know?
I can't see you, dog.
I don't know. I saw Instagram I go on with me from there. I don't know.
Okay, but no, listen, Futa. You know, I want thing about me. You know, remember saying, I want thing. You know, me not leave out Jamaica now one bit. You know, but guess what? You see the space for me there now right now. Me not even there. Me not even want day in that space there. The mix up, rare. Me not even want
But you know,
space
Jamaican people stay because once somebody says something where the onlooker, the one side says something, and the whole world are run with what the onlooker say, and him himself don't even know what go on. You
But guess what,
understand?
Futa? It just buy a $6 million house, Futa. But me no need for sure in LA. But me no need for sure them something. Because guess what now? At the end of the day, now, me know what is what and God know what is what. But here I know. Me just do sometime, me just have to show some people because me not like wake up to Ray, and I'm gonna call my phone and WhatsApp me message all them something. Brother, me I work on Bumbleclaw, a huge album right now with Chris Brown and all them people. And me can't bother with that. Oh, this and I listen to Passa. Me not deal with something, brother. Me not like them energy there. So here I know. Me just go up on the live and say, me go on. You might say, me go on. Talk up some things and squash them and come on the live and Ray. But me not really care about them something because we don't follow up them something, Futa. You see me I say? Futa, you gone to blood clot. Futa, Futa, you come on, brother. You better not use a Metro PC, you know, Futa. Look, somebody said, true. I love these people, man. We caught up, man. You were definitely my whole childhood. Thank you. I love you. I love all the fans. You guys are amazing.
Viewers, subscribers, Dancehall Skilla there. Big up, respect to each and every one, you see? And the first thing I want to point out right away. See me? Really and truly, I just this more to point out. Be careful of misleading informations out there. You see me? Whether it want to be on social media or it want to be out there in the world just like that. You see me? So if it's on social media or social media, just be careful of misleading informations because it can be dangerous. You see me, I said to you know, and persons can get hurt. You see me, whether it be feelings or whatsoever, you see me, it can hurt persons out there, you see me? Let me say something like this now, see me? Because, you see this video I just presented to you, it shows of the person that is known as Sean Kingston, you see me? And according to what has been said about this video on social media is that Sean Kingston went on social media and said some things that gives persons on social media the idea that he's addressing something where it is said that his vehicles had been repossessed and soldiers and police had visited his house and you know all kind of assumptions and accusations and you know things have been said, you see me? Now viewers and subscribers, you know, I saw that video too, you see me? And you know, I did a video about that video as well, you know, I said to you, and you know, when time I see the video, I make sure I look at it properly, you see me? And then I look at what has been said about the video on social media and then I say, you know what? Me I go do some research because me is the kind of person I like to make sure that I have confirmed information before I come to you, my viewers and subscribers, you know. You see me? Me now go just see a video and just make up story in my head and just come tell you anything I feel like. That's not my style. You get what I'm saying to you? So, as simple as that happen now, me just go and say, alright, do the research. And when we do the research, I don't find any evidence or proof as to if the vehicles were repossessed or they had been seized or anything like that. You see me? So therefore, the answer that I get, no, let me repeat that. The results that I got, you see what I'm saying to you? That's what I bring to you, my viewers and subscribers. I'm just tell you like it is. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so I'm tell it like it is now, put it out there on social media, and it turns out now that me see this video, you see me, and it gives me some realization that some of these things that has been said about Sean Kingston's house and vehicles and all kind of accusation and allegations, some of these things might not be true. You see me? And the reason why I say they might not be true is because me still not have no evidence nor no proof. I want to see what I say. Yes, you go. Anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, and let me know what you think about the whole thing overall. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah. And yes, so is where I left it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.